There they are. Yeah, they're
Mm-hmm.
up in that tree. They're getting acquainted.
Oh, cool.
That's ideal right there. If they get together right off, because I've had them, never check up.
Crows.
They're up there saying, "You're not who I was with yesterday.
Wait a minute.
Where did you come from?" I tell you what, we may want to